Hey, first graders, we are going to keep practicing adding 3 addends. Okay, this time we're going to make our number sentence be vertical instead of horizontal. So we're going to be stacking the numbers. And yesterday when we saw them written out, we had 2 plus signs, right? We had first addend and then a plus sign, then the second addend and then a plus sign, then the third addend and then the equal sign. Well, when we stack them, we only need 1 plus sign, okay? So it kind of saves us a little bit of writing time when we stack our addition problems. So let's look at some stacked addition problems, and we're going to use some of the same skills that we were talking about yesterday, that you can combine them in different ways, pick which one works best for you, and add it all together to find the sum. So let's look at what we have, okay? Let's start here. We have 6 plus 4 plus 2. I almost wrote extra addition symbols. Okay, so we're going to think, which of these numbers should I combine first? One thing I always like to look for is, can I make a 10? Because we've talked so much about how if you have a 10, anything left over just bumps out the 0. So looking here, do we have any 10 buddies? We do. We have 6 and 4. So I'm going to use 6 and 4 first, and I'm going to use them to make a 10. Okay, so I have that group of 10. 2 more comes along, bumps out the 0. Altogether, I end up with 12. Okay, but what if you're still working on remembering your 10 facts? Is that okay? Yeah, we're all getting better with it. So I'm going to use a different marker, see if it works better. Okay, so I have 6 and 4 and 2 again. So maybe I don't realize that I can make a 10, but I do see that I can count on. Okay, so I have 2 here, and it happens to be next to my 4, so I'm just going to take 4 and 2, and I'm going to count on. I have 4 in the box, 2 outside, 4 on the box, 2 outside, 4, 5, 6. That gives me 6. Okay, now I have 6 plus 6, which is a doubles fact. Okay, so 6 plus 6, I should know my doubles facts. If I don't, I can count by 2s 6 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so again, I end up with 12. So I found 2 different ways to add the same group of numbers, and both times I found the sum of 12. Okay, let's look at another example. Okay, what if I have 3 plus 4, did it again. I was going to write an extra plus symbol. Okay, 3 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, now what do you notice very first? Do you see that we have a doubles fact? I have 4 plus 4. So if I add those together, 4 plus 4, what would that be? And my doubles facts, if I don't know it, count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so I have 8. I can count on 3 more. 8 in the box, 3 outside, 8 in the box, 3 outside, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's my sum. 3 plus 4 equals 11. Okay, but I know a lot of kids will just go with the first numbers in the stack. And so they might have decided to start with 3 plus 4. If I see 3 plus 4, I know 3 plus 3 is 6, so 3 plus 4 would have to be a little bit bigger. It would be 7. Okay, it's a little hard to see the way the light's shining on it. Okay, so here I have 3 plus 4 equals 7, and then I still have 4 more. 7, if I turn it into a 10, I would use 3 of those and still have 1 left. So turn it into a 10 and have 1 left. Okay, so another way to show that I can add 3 addends 2 different ways, doesn't matter which one, both ways will give me a sum of 11. Okay, so today you are going to be continuing practicing adding 3 addends and deciding which strategy works best in your mind. Do you find that you like doubles? Do you like making a 10? What other strategies are you using a lot? Can you use all of them? Can you find times to practice all of them? They're all going to show up. So see which ones you like best, but also see if you can use the others as well. Keep them fresh. We have a toolbox full of ideas up here in our brains. And I know that the more you practice, the better you'll get. So keep stretching that brain and have fun. Good luck.